Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the on-screen keyboard on HP Chromebook 14A. In order to do so, you should first go to the settings to turn that option on. So in the settings, just find accessibility. Now go to keyboard and text input and enable the on-screen keyboard. You might have noticed that this little keyboard button has appeared on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, it turns the on-screen keyboard on. And it's quite similar to a phone keyboard, but also quite similar to a laptop keyboard. It's somewhere in between. And that's basically it about this keyboard. Also, once that is enabled, I believe that if you open a text field, it'll automatically bring this keyboard up. And you can also change its size to this floating view. And in order to move it across the floating view, you'll need to start dragging this button on the bottom right keyboard of this floating window on the bottom right corner, not keyboard. And yeah, you can resize this keyboard technically, but I don't think I'm able to do it. I have no idea why, but it just seems so weird. Maybe if I do it slowly. No, I don't really know why I'm not able to resize it. Yeah, if I do it fast, then it works. And I'm gonna go back to the docked view, and that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.